Everyone out there.
And I'm White Forest, and we're back at the cave, and we're getting into fights. Oh, we're really getting into fights. We're still, god damn, no matter what, they just, god, they're so much faster than us. No matter what I do, I try, and I work hard, and I just keep getting ambushed.
Good.
I hate you.
I hope you get nowhere in this thing.
Oh, I'm getting somewhere. I'm already somewhere. Look where I'm at. Look. Look at it. Look at the screen. Look at it.
Nope. Close my eyes.
Because you can imagine, you can go back and look at where we ended, and now you can see where we are. God, 400 gil. We're, God. Alright, come on. Let's do it. Shit! Ringing my roro. Ringing my roro.
Like,
fuck this, man. I get it, your skulls. Just fucking die. God damn it! They can attack a lot more times than I can attack.
Yeah, Joseph guy had the same health.
They're health brothers. The guy has more MP. The guy is better with MP. We're done. Oh shit, I could be running.
Yeah. I was like, what the fuck are you doing?
Walking. I'm just enjoying this place.
Walking.
Oh shit, no. We're not. No. We're not doing this.
Oh, we are.
Oh, we're doing this, it's just we're doing this with fire. Like this. Oh, baby. God, at least we're getting Gil now. We go this way. These dungeons were simple. Just have such high encounter rates. Every 5 steps. Oh look, another monster. Oh look, 6 monsters.
You like encounters? How
do we run into these? How do we run into these? You think we'd be like, oh man, there's 7 monsters there. Look out. Let's not go this way. But no, the Furion's like, fuck it. I have swords. I'm the weapon master. God damn it, Furion. Where the fuck? Come on, monks, take him out. That's right. Monk power. My lips are so fucking chapped right now. I should have brought my chapstick, but I didn't. And I went this way, and we didn't get. Did we get all the way around?
I know.
I remember the ambush that I called, like this.
I got the treasure chest and we went back around. Yeah.
So we already got it?
Yeah.
Here's the ambush again, just replaying it for you.
There's a recap.
Recap. If you go this way, you get ambushed. No matter what. God damn it, Joseph. What?
Oh no.
Laughing at it. There's something funny about this. Something funny about this. Backstander.
No. I didn't do that.
I know you didn't.
I didn't do that.
I didn't do that. I didn't do that.
Look at this. Look at this asshole. He's all making fun of me.
This asshole. Being made fun of.
This asshole. Let's make fun of him.
Everyone point and laugh at Nair. I don't know if you did it. I hope you did.
No one's gonna do it.
Someone. There's someone.
Someone's gonna do it.
But we'll never know.
Let's just go.
But to the one of you who did, thank you. You're a true American.
What if he's like England or
he's still a true
Egypt or...
It's a compliment to be called a true American. Yes. Name one time I've seen someone be called a true American. They'll go, "What did you just call me?"
There's gonna be
some fucking asshole from like England, like, how dare you call me American? We are so much better. There's like those asshole Americans like, Europeans. We are so much better than Europeans. No, you're all the same. We are all the equal level of shit. Get over yourselves. So, unless you're American, you're automatically better. True. Hey, God chose us. It's in our pledge of allegiance. It's in our declarations. It's in everything. It's in our fucking money. God loves us.
We get such egos.
We do. Comes with being American. At least we understand. At least we understand that we're full of shit.
Well, we're full of shit and the world hates us.
And one thing we do excel in is military. Yeah!
Oh, shut up, you little Marine. Oorah!
Don't do that.
Oorah! Oh, I'm gonna do that. And I hope, like, all your little military buddies, they see this video, they be like...
My military buddies are not gonna see the video.
They're watching. There's gonna be one. One day.
There's probably one from MLS school I can think of who would be watching this. Who even has a remote chance of watching this. You won't know it's me, though. Oh, he'll probably be like, oh, I remember that voice.
I gotta hit him with my love diary.
Oh, please don't. No. Yeah, no. Don't. No. He doesn't. No. This is
sake.
I hope they don't. This is when Nair crosses the line again.
Line? Cross it? Will do.
Potion!
Bacon here, Furion. Bacon.
Blizzard. Oh boy. You don't already have that 1,000 times. Of course, you find Blizzard in the ice place. Yay. Swear to God, these random encounters are gonna be the death of me. Get it? This monster's gonna kill me. And one of these days we're gonna die to a random encounter. Considering we haven't saved at all.
Oh shit. Whoopsies!
This is the second time I've done this. I pointed out that we haven't saved, and I just don't save. I just keep going. I did this in like the third episode or something. I think it was the third episode. You pointed out like, oh my god, we haven't saved. And I'm like, I know. And I just kept going. I got into more fights, and I kept talking about it like this. Ooh.
Ooh. So we don't use it.
I don't think we can just sell it. God. That's my anger noise.
Just... Yeah, I hate to hear one that way. You're sick.
I'm sick?
That is your angry noise.
Everyone point and laugh again. Because he's stupid. Did I find it?
You call me stupid.
Shit!
Everyone point and laugh.
Don't. No, everyone's gone in that room once.
No.
I didn't make a stupid joke like that.
No.
I have in previous episodes, but don't remember that.
No. No. No, we're just gonna look at you. It's just gonna go. No.
Gah! Ah! Ah! Shit! Shit! Ambush. Magic. Fire. Attack. Attack. Bitch got paralyzed! She was gonna kill them all!
Bitch got paralyzed.
And now she's not paralyzed.
Bitch got paralyzed.
We get it.
No! I don't think you understand the emphasis of it.
Research
At
went
least
up.
her shit went up, at least.
Her shit. Okay. Note to self.
I wonder how much treasure we're fucking missing.
Probably a lot. Probably nothing useful. Like, oh, another fucking Blizzard tome. Alright, you got Tome of Blizzard. Hey, here's 100 gil. You need this. When I'm catching it, you know, raking in a whopping 36 gil per fight. We got 10,000, we're fine. Magic. Magic.
I'm just curious. We'll need, Maria's for boss.
His is just as good. There. Now he's just as good. Wait, she's...
Whatever.
We're not playing the worst protagonist in the world. Or for the other characters that game suck.
Game sucks anyways.
The game had amazing mechanics. The storyline was bland. The only mechanic that sucked was the monsters fucking leveled with you, so you didn't even notice your grind. And what was the point? You're like, oh, I'm gonna go fight Diablos. Wait a minute, I'll grind to get better. No.
But he just...
Exactly. That's the only stupid thing about it. Like, grinding really meant nothing. Alright, leveled up. Big fucking deal. They tried something new, though. Alright, tell me that door is bad.
That door is good.
Okay.
Fuck!
Why'd I listen to him? All paralyzed.
Your face of disappointment. Like,
God! Jeez! Oh, scratch. Alright, done. I can leave. No, I'm gonna get into a fight before I can leave this room. Although Maria gained more health and everyone gained everything. How much health? 240. God damn, she raises really slow. Mental shield.
oh boy.
Ugh.
What was that?
I was mad, but I like hiccuped at the same time.
Now you're yawning?
And now I'm yawning. I'm just making noises all over the damn place.
Rage. Yo, it's hiccups.
I have a rage noise. I have all sorts of noises. I'm actually releasing a CD of noises of White Forest.
Here is bad. Here is tired. Here is bad and tired.
Here
Here
is
is confused.
what? Here is mad at Nair. Everyone point and laugh at Nair.
Just do it.
Okay.
Clearly on this head seagull. Voices up there.
Including Nair in the morning.
That's about accurate.
That's not about accurate, that's exact. I believe those exact words came from you a few days ago when I woke you up. Hey Ryan, hey Nair, wake up!
What they was playing?
Oh, monster in a box. Ancient sword though. Okay. Everyone just sit back.
Everyone will get blinded or die.
It's over. Oh no, it's multiple. Oh yeah, it's good now. It's level 5. Go me! Alright, what is ancient sword? Ooh. Here, I'll put it in the first one though. I like that. I like that a lot. Well, so now y'all know where to find the ancient sword, because I know where to find the ancient sword now. Tell me that room is bad.
It's good.
Okay. Trusting you.
Is this where we kind of door now?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. What if I tell you it's bad?
I won't go in it.
What if it's the right door?
I still won't go in it. I'm trusting you. I'm putting complete faith in you. Oh.
It was good.
Otters. Oh, beaver. Snook and Chip. This is a playable character?
No.
Good.
Guys,
He's Kronk.
guys.
Kronk talked to squirrels. Guy speaks to beavers. The creator of Emperor's New Groove played Final Fantasy II.
Ask Goddess Bell.
What was it? Chica, Snip. Monster guards the secret passage in the wall to the right. Bell and wall. Hello, guy. He speaks to beavers. Oh, talk to him. This will happen every time. He's asking about our canoe. About our ring.
Why don't you know these things?
Come on, bitch. How to pass? Do you want a snowcraft? How about a longbow? Now I know you want some eye drops. What beaver can live without a potion? Alright, fine. Where is it?
Secret passage is the wall to the right. That's the left you take.
Yeah, I'm just checking because there's nothing over here. Oh, there it is. I lied.
It's so dark in this way.
There's no music. Save for the battle music. And I kick ass. And next time
Oh, shit,
on
man, that
Wingin
goes so
Final Fantasy, beavers. We don't talk to beavers anymore because beavers tell you snook shit.
Snook shit, motherfucker.
Next time we go. Next time on Wingin Final Fantasy, Nair goes back to the first place because he forgot something there.
Don't tempt me.
Okay, end it.